The Leadership Pivot, a lesson in corporate resilience, the rise of Arvind Enterprises. Arvind Enterprises, a leading manufacturing firm, was once known for its innovation and market dominance. Led by its dynamic CEO, Mr. Arvind Sharma, the company had built a reputation for quality and efficiency. Employees admired his sharp business acumen, and competitors envied his strategic thinking. However, success often brings complacency. Over the years, the company's process became rigid, innovation slowed, and decision making relied on past achievements rather than current market trends. The employees, though skilled, hesitated to propose new ideas, fearing rejection. The sudden crisis. One day, a major disruption shook the industry. New government regulations and a surge of tech savvy startups introduced cost effective digital first solutions. Arvind Enterprises' traditional business model struggled to compete. Sales plummeted, and long time clients began shifting to competitors. At an emergency board meeting, the CFO reported declined revenues, and the HR head highlighted low employee morale. The marketing head warned if we don't adapt, we might not survive the next 2 years. Mr. Arvind, usually confident, found himself at a crossroads. The strategies that once worked were now failing. The advice of the young manager. Amidst the crisis, a young but promising manager, Ria Mehta, requested a one on one meeting with Mr. Arvind. He was initially skeptical but agreed to listen. Sir, Ria began. I have been studying our competitors. The ones thriving in this new market are not necessarily the biggest but the most adaptable. She continued, there is an old saying, when the winds change, some builds wall while others build windmills. We need to pivot, not resist change. Our strength lies in our expertise, but we need a new approach. Mr. Arvind was intrigued. Go on. The turnaround strategy. Ria proposed a two-step plan. First, lean and agile operations. Instead of resisting new technologies, the company should integrate automation, AI driven analytics, and customer centric digital platforms. Two, empowering employees, encouraging innovation by allowing cross functional teams to propose solutions and implement changes in a low risk environment. Mr. Arvind was hesitant. We have been doing things a certain way for decades. Will this not create chaos? No, if we manage the transition wisely. Ria responded. We don't have to change everything overnight. We take a small calculated steps. The key is resilience, not just surviving but evolving. The transformation begins. Inspired by Ria's insight, Mr. Arvind initiated a structured change management process. He set up internal think tanks, encouraged employees to participate in decision making, and invested in technology upgrades. At first, there was resistance, especially from senior management. However, when a pilot project successfully streamlined supply chain operations, reducing cost by 15%, the team saw the potential. Within a year, Arvind Enterprise transformed into a more agile, forward thinking organization. The company regained its competitive edge, attracting new clients and even surpassing previous revenue benchmarks. The management lesson at the annual leadership meet, Mr. Arvind addressed his employees. Businesses like people faces ups and downs. What defines us is not just our strengths but our ability to adopt. Resilience is about recognizing changes, accepting it, and taking decisive action. We cannot always control the market, but we can control how we respond to it. He turned to Ria and said, true leadership is not just about having the best ideas, but about listening to the right voices, even if they come from unexpected places. Moral of the story. In the corporate world, resilience is the key to sustained success. Organizations that embrace change, empower employees, and remain agile in their strategies will always find ways to rise, no matter how hard they fall.